Hey there everyone. So basically, this is a video tutorial on how to use your Google Classroom and how to upload your assignment with an attachment. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, this is a student account. Once you log in your Google Classroom account, you'll be able to see the different subjects here. Okay, now I will proceed to technical drafting. Okay, as you can see there's an announcement due, which is on Friday until 5 p.m. Okay, so let's find out what is that. So go to the classroom of grade 8 technical drafting. Now, on the top, you will see this three tabs: the stream, classwork, and the people. Okay, now for the stream, this will be the part where you can see different announcement from your teachers. Now, since week 1, I have already posted the announcement here together with the screenshots of our previous discussion. And then also, in week number 2, I have attached the weekly home lesson plan. Okay, so you will be able to see the different discussions here together with your homework and the weekly home learning plan for week number 2. Now, next, how will you able to upload your assignment with an attachment? Okay, for this week's homework, you're going to make a drafting tools and materials video. Now, to see the instruction, all you have to do is click this portion. Okay, so it says there, you have to make a 1-minute video presentation showing the proper use of different drafting tools, instruments, and paraphernalia available at your home. So this is the rubric for the video presentations. Appropriateness of the use of the tool, that's 30 points. Video is edited effectively, 20 points. Video quality, 30 points. And time duration, 20 points. Okay, now let's proceed now. How to upload your edited video with an attachment, of course. Okay, so click this portion. Okay, now you're going to able to see this part. Okay, when you select this class comments, all of your classmates will be able to see your comments. But on the right portion, this is a private comment exclusive for your subject teacher. Now, next one is you have to attach now your assignment video. So click this button, add or create, and then select file. Now, the next thing you will do is you're going to search for the location of your edited video. Now, in my part, I'm going to browse that in my desktop. Okay, so here's my desktop. So this is my video project entitled Drafting Tools and Materials Video Homework. Then select open, and then you have to wait for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
1 minute. 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 1 min Okay, so there you go. I have successfully uploaded my video project, or I have already attached the video here on this portion. So you have to look for this portion if it's already filled up. There you go. So there's my drafting tools and materials video. And then the next thing you will do is you have to click this button to turn in, and then you will see this dialog box. One attachment will be submitted for my drafting tools and materials video. Select this, turn in. Okay, so now you have already and successfully submitted your homework together with your attachment. Okay, so there you go. So let's repeat that. So proceed to your classes, select the subject, this one, grade 8 technical drafting, and then proceed. Before you proceed to the classwork, class, be sure you have read all my announcement on the stream, and then proceed now to classwork. Now you're going to attach now your video. Select this portion, my drafting tools and materials video. Okay, then next, click this part, and then view assignment. Okay, on the upper right corner of your screen, select the submit button, and you have to wait for a few minutes to be able to upload and attach the video. And then once you see it's successfully uploaded, select the submit or turn in button. Okay, now if you have any questions regarding this, you can send me a message. That's all for today. Thank you.